Welcome to Excel Formula Bar Explained, a beginner's guide. In this session, you will master the formula bar in Excel. You'll learn to read, write, and edit formulas for maximum efficiency. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the formula bar in Microsoft Excel? The formula bar is a key component of the Excel interface. It is located above the worksheet area. It serves as a central location where you can view, enter, and modify formulas and data within your spreadsheets. The formula bar is divided into two main parts: the name box and the formula input area. Understanding the formula bar is fundamental to unlocking Excel's calculation and data manipulation capabilities. Let's explore the key components of the Excel formula bar. The first component is the name box. It displays the address of the currently selected cell or range. For example, you can see B3 is displayed in the name box, which indicates the cell B3 is currently selected. The second component is the formula input area. This area displays the formula or the content of the selected cell and allows you to edit it. In this example, you can see the formula equals average, A1:A10, multiplied by 12, is written in the formula input area. Now let's understand how to read formulas in the formula bar. When you select a cell containing a formula, the formula bar displays the actual calculation behind the result, not just the calculated value displayed in the cell itself. For instance, in cell D1, instead of just seeing the number 450, you'll see the formula equals B1 plus C1 plus 50 in the formula bar. This enables you to understand how the value in D1 is derived from the values in B1, C1, and the number 50. Now let's learn about writing formulas in the formula bar. Here are the steps to follow. First, select the cell where you want to enter the formula. Second, type an equals sign to begin writing your formula. All Excel formulas must start with an equals sign. Third, press the Enter key to execute and apply the formula. Here is an example of a formula that calculates the sum of cells A1 through A10 and adds it to the average of cells B1 through B5. The formula is written as equals sum A1:A10 plus average B1:B5. Next, we'll explore how to edit formulas using the formula bar. There are two primary methods to enter formula edit mode. Method 1. Double-click the cell. Simply double-click on the cell containing the formula you wish to edit. This will directly activate the edit mode within the cell. Method 2. Press the F2 key. Select the cell containing the formula and press the F2 key on your keyboard to enter the formula edit mode. Both methods allow you to modify the formula directly within the cell or in the formula bar. Here are some formula bar tips for maximum efficiency. First, use keyboard shortcuts to navigate faster. For instance, Ctrl+A selects all. Second, expand the formula bar by clicking the Expand button for longer formulas and better visibility. Third, select the formula text in the bar to copy and reuse it in other cells. Fourth, use the Enter key to confirm a formula, or use the Tab key to move to the next cell while confirming the formula. Congratulations, you have mastered the formula bar. You've gained key skills, including reading formulas and understanding calculations, writing new formulas with confidence, and editing formulas for maximum efficiency. Practice these techniques to become an Excel formula expert. The formula bar is your gateway to powerful calculations. Happy calculating! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.